Hey guys, this is Lena from Paper Piece. Today I am going to cover some items that I have received from the vault sale at American Crafts. I'm not going to do full-fledged flip-throughs. I'll do probably separate little videos for those. But the American Crafts vault sale is like phenomenal. So one of the items I got was B. Valent's sketchbook project pad. One of the reasons I love these project pads so much is because yeah, you're gonna get your, your basic cardstock. You're gonna get some specialty papers, but I like the fact that I hope you can see this. Okay, I like the fact that the stickers are included too. So you're getting specialty papers, you're getting pattern papers, you're getting cardstock. I like the fact. I mean, it does live up to its name. It's a project pad. So I got one of those. I got myself another Forever Fields project pad. I got myself, what is this? I got myself a Chamel Reasons to Smile project pad. Y'all, these project pads were like $3 and something cents, I think, maybe. Like, yeah. Jen Hatfield Everyday Pad. I'll do a quick flip through on this one here. It's not double-sided. Cute. It's cute. Some bright, vibrant colors. It's cute. Got that. A Paige Evans Adventurous Project Pad. This is one that kind of threw me a little bit. I got myself, and I thought it was something different. I only got one. I got the Vicky Bouton Create, like these little, I don't know what, it's an acetate sheet, but I really thought that for some reason I was under the impression that maybe it was like some sort of pad with these color breakdowns, but either way, it's still cute. I like it. I got myself a Paige Evans Garden Shop paper pad. I'll flip through it really quick. I really focused on these pads because I need some more vibrant colors. I love vintage items, but I needed to make sure that I had an even balance of colors. And I know I have a lot of these different pages from when I shopped at Joann's, but I just wanted to make sure that I had certain things. I got this Paige Evans Splendid project pad. So cute. This is so cute. Really love this. Hold on. I really love this. This is adorable. This is cute. 4 pages. Okay. And I love the butterflies. This is cute. All right. To go along with my project pad, I got myself a Paige Evans Adventures pad. So pretty. That is so pretty. Ooh. Cute, 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 cute. Okay. Then I got myself, you're probably saying you got more. Yep, I did. Yep, I did. A Paige Evans Wonders project pad. I don't purchase a lot of her items, but I realize I've been sleeping on these a little bit. I got myself a Damask Love Girl Power project pad. I realized a lot of these are die cuts. And I didn't know that until I started actually like flipping through here. But I do love the vibrancy of the colors and stuff. Thought that was cute. And I got myself another Woodland and Grove project pad. Now, I'll flip through it real quick, but here we go. It's cute. Like the gold foil. Pretty. All right. So that's going to take care of me for this particular video. Everyone, this is Lynn from Paper Peas. Thank you so much for taking the time to tune in. As always, I hope and pray that you are safe. Please do like, share, subscribe, and come back and see me. Take care.